Social signals are a really good way to rank your website and do absolutely no harm to your website if done right. They are just something that you need to have, as there is no harm in having them, and they are also super cheap to buy.
Alright guys, this is a service we use to get our social signals called Red Social. We've been using this service for just over 2 years now, and like I said before, there's no real negatives to this. It's all positives. Google's always going to look at this as a ranking factor, and just sometimes we've also been able to just rank websites solely just using social signals and no other SEO techniques or strategies. Just doing social signals will be able to rank websites. So it just shows how powerful it can be. Now, they are a little costly, but like I said, some of these methods, you're going to have to pay some money, but at the end of the day, these things will, last forever for you. These social signals will stay on your page forever, and there will always be a ranking factor when Google look at it. So when you guys get onto the front page of redsocial.net, I'll put the link on the screen. You guys want to click onto more and go down towards social signals. When you click on social signals, you should get a page looking like this popping up, or it has the packages they have. Now, each package will have, say, Facebook signals, so 90 signals for Facebook, 300, 900, 2,400, Twitter, Pinterest, drip feed. Drip feed basically means they're not going to send it all for you at once. Like I explained before with block comments, when someone does all block comments very quickly, it's not good. Same thing with this. You don't want to get shares all in one day or all in a few hours. You want to get them, spaced out between days. So as you guys can see here, if you guys get the first package over 300 social signals, they'll spread it out over 7 days. Next one will spread it out over 14 days. Next one will spread it out over 21 days. And then the next one will spread it out over 28 days. And also with the URL maximum, if you get this package, you can only send social signals to one URL. Now, we recommend you send social signals to your home page and also to other blogs on your website, or just other web pages on your website, because this shows Google that all your web pages are getting traffic, and it makes the website look more and more natural. So it's definitely always recommended that you either go for an expert package or a viral package, because the expert package will have 1 to 4 URLs, or even the viral package has 1 to 10 URLs. So you can add 10 URLs and that will send over 8,000 social signals evenly to them over the span of 28 days. Now, what you need to do, say I want to get the viral package, all you got to do is click on add to cart. Once you've added it to cart, you should get a page looking like this. You're going to put in your websites. So it's going to be, say, www.google.com. My second web URL is www.google.com/blog. So I want to send a page to my blog page. I want to send some to my customer service page. I want to send some to my www.google.com/blog/ we talked about pet supplies, so our pet supplies page. So you got to basically put 10 links in here where you want to send, or even 1 to 10. So you can send them all to 2, 3, 4 links. But like I said, try to space them out across your page. That's what you guys want to do to keep the website looking natural, and Google will absolutely love it. You've got a coupon code. You can put the coupon code here. You click onto update cart, and then from here you click proceed to checkout. Sorry, click straight to proceed to checkout. So you include your URLs, google.com. Proceed to checkout. And then from here, you'll include your details, anything else you like to add. I don't really add anything in here. And I pay always with PayPal because it keeps me safe. And then what they'll do is they'll send you an email before they start sending social signals, and they'll also send you an email after the social signals. So they show you how many social signals you got basically throughout time period. So for the first one, they'll send you an email at the start, and I'll send you an email 7 days after. With the active package, I'll send you an email to start, and then I'll send an email 14 days later with the report, 21 days for this one, and then 28 days with the report for the viral package. We usually always go for the viral package because it's the best money value you can get, because it's 8,000 social signals if you get this one times that by 6,000, it's much worth just to get, you know, the viral package and go with that. That's personally what we get. You guys can start off with the smaller ones, but like I said, don't go for the starter package. Go for active package onwards, because you always want to try and include URLs in. You want to include more than one URL, not just one URL. At least 2, 3. Obviously, the more you have, the more social shares you have across your web pages, the better it is when it comes to ranking on Google.
So guys, that's Social Signals. As I said, no negatives to it. It's a ranking factor that Google looks at, and it's definitely something that you need to get for your website. You would want to send some social signals to your web page, and also some social signals to your articles in general. So space it out. To get access to redsocials.com, it will be the first link in the description. Next video, we're going to be explaining Quora links and the importance of them.